Just using the edge of my trimmer, my clipper. God damn it!
Hey, you went flying Bentley spur. Hey, you went dry around the world. Hey, you went brown like a squirrel. Hey, you went Chanel purr.
What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Phil, and I'm back with a brand new video. And today I have my microphone back, and so the audio quality will be a little bit better. But yeah, guys, I'm back. Anyways, let's get right into it. Let me get into explaining this. Now, what you want to do when you're first starting off your fade is set your ball guideline. Get your trimmers, okay, and put the guideline in. Now, I went all the way open with my clippers. Going all the way open to the desired length, okay? I just go about, about an inch up on this guy's head. However the guy wants it. He wants a low taper, high taper. Bring it up, bring it high, whatever. So just go and make a little guideline, first little guideline, And something you guys got to stop stressing about is how perfect the cut looks, especially if y'all just starting out cutting hair. Just go with the motions, bro. I messed up my first head, fucked them up. That's why they call me Fuck Them Up Phil. And I made like, what was it, like 40? Gave me like $20-$40. I'm about to turn on another ring light, so this can be a little bit brighter for y'all to see. But anyways, after I put in that first guideline, I'm still all the way open with my blade, and I just go with the grain, and I kind of stay right on the edge of that guideline. But I go with the grain. Well, actually, I went by like an inch, but you want to be careful when you're doing that, because you can like leave a lot of gaps, or a lot of you can gap the hair, cut off way much more than you need to if you're not careful. And I kind of did that a little bit, but I'm going to fix it, as you will see. And so what I did after that, I just closed my guard halfway, and I go a little bit lower than where I put the first guideline in, and flick up right below that line. Then I close it all the way, and I go to the bottom where the ball guideline was, and flick out. Keep fading until I can get that guideline out. Now I'm just going back over the top like I did, and I felt like I kind of went too high. That's the thing with no guard. You're not going to really have as much control as you do with a guard. But my last no guard video before the one I posted just recently get 10,000 views. So I'm trying to get another 10,000 view video. So you just gotta work it. You just gotta feel. Well, where the dark spots were, I'm gonna just say what I did. It was like a dark spot in the middle, so I went back over with the grain all the way open and kind of cut that down. And now I'm just doing a technique I do on my no guard videos. I turn the clipper all the way to the side, and I'm just hitting at the little dark spots. Going at the little dark spots, and that's all you really need. It doesn't have to be an amazing blend, because you're probably not gonna get that with no guard. But it is a blend nonetheless, and a lot of people don't know what a good blend look like. So just get these people in and out. If you want to use no guard, of course you're probably trying to rush and you're trying to get stuff done quicker. But other than that, don't worry too much, because once you line it up, it's gonna look better. Now I'm just doing the same thing on the sides, all the way open from the first guideline. Then I close it halfway, go a little bit under there. Then I go all the way closed, go to the bottom and flick the bottom guideline out. Then I use a little trimmer so I can kind of get the little bottom guideline out a little bit more. Then I go all the way open, just like I did in the back, and I go with the grain. And I'm staying like right above that the first guideline I made, and just flake down. I went a little bit over to his to the corner of his C cup in the front, because he kind of likes a little bit lighter up there. He likes his taper to be like a little bit lighter up there. So I just use no guard with the grain and kind of scraped in that area. And you'll see me going back and forth between the with the grain and using the edge of my clipper all the way open, and or in the middle, and I'm going with the edge. When you use the edge of your trimmer, you want to play with the guard, open, close, in the middle, so you can get the desired, cut the desired amount of hair you want to cut, create that blend effect. But yeah, for the most part, you can just stay all the way open and just use the edge of your clipper. Why the heck do I call him a trimmer? It's a clipper. And then you just keep going, flicking at the edge, flicking to the edge at the bottom of that guideline, And yeah, that's about it. That's all is to it. And now you see me just going back and forth, just playing with the hair, man. You'll be able to do that more and more as you keep cutting. You know what I'm saying? You're just gonna go back and forth between different areas, especially if you fade down. I feel like, because if you're the type of fade down, meaning you don't really use a lot of guidelines with guards and shit, you're probably gonna go back over your work, just double check it. You know what I'm saying? But anyways, doing the same thing for this side, so I sped it up a lot, and like I said, all the way open, halfway, close for the bottom, and then I'm gonna go with the trimmer at the bottom a little bit more so I can get it completely bald, and then I'm gonna go with the grain again. As you can see, comb the hair out so it doesn't. The more you comb the hair out, the less likely you to like leave gaps and patches in the hair. If y'all don't know, it's gonna cut way smoother with a guard or without a guard. So make sure you know what I'm saying, comb the hair. Don't just go straight into trying to fade the hair, cut the hair. But yeah, what I'm doing here is just using the edge of my my clipper. God damn it! Using the edge of my goddamn clipper. Okay, I'm going open, in the middle, and then I'm going close a little bit sometimes, maybe not. But that's what I do. Line up, spray it with the holding spray, you know what I'm saying? Blow dryer, come in the middle of that thing, wham, bam. I don't know why I said wham, bam, because I didn't put the trim up there yet, but wham, bam, bam, put it to the middle and then go to the edge. You know what I'm saying? You might want to go to the most receding side first, whichever has less hair, whichever side has less hair on the lineup. Go to that side first and then go to the other side so you can bring up the hair with that receding side and make it even, balance the lineup out. And yeah, just start from the middle and go to the edge. And then you want to do the side verticals, as you can see here. Y'all bear with me, I'm trying to get my videoing skills back up. Not my editing, but my videoing. I feel like I feel like I was more fluent with the haircut videos, not having to move the person. I don't know, maybe I'm tripping because I ain't been on here in a minute. But anyways, as you can see, lining them up, I feel like it was a little dark in there, so I went back with the grain, no guard, all the way open. Then I went against the grain with my trimmer. Fuck! How many times did I call this shit trimmer in this video? Went back with the edge of the clipper and just faded a little bit more. Yeah, but now I'm on the beard. What I do for the beard, I like to go with the grain all the way open, and I turn the clipper, right side up, and I go all the way open. Then I close it halfway, go a little bit higher, then I go all the way closed and go a little bit higher on the beard. And pretty easy. It's basically the same thing you do when you fading at the hair, but you want to do it instead of reverse, like going up instead of down. You start open, lower, and then you close it the higher you go. Instead of when you fading the hair, you go open the higher you go, and lower and close the lower you go. And yeah, as you can see, I'm on the lineup of the beard, just going with the natural flow of his face, whatever that means, because I don't freaking know. I just I just line it up, stay on the edge of the hair, you know what I'm saying, keep it high, you know what I'm saying, unless they tell you to cut off more than they want. That's what I meant by the natural shape of his face. Not really, I just made up some shit so I can sound good on camera. But yeah, you want to do that though, stay on the edge of the hair, keep it high. Then you want to edge up the mustache. I always cut it down. I'll either go all the way open, depending on the person's mustache, how much hair they have, or I go with like a one guard over it. Most of the time I'm all the way open with a taper blade on like a Babyliss. Cut that down, then I line it up. I hate when barbers leave like my mustache like not cut down. Like go over it all the way open with a clipper, then line it up. Now I'm just adding the enhancement, putting on that pencil. You probably want to put that pencil on a little bit less thick than I do, but I'm normally heavy-handed, and it's just me. I have to just come back and clean it up a little bit better when I get to line it up and using a razor. But yeah, I like to put my pencil on first, then I use my spray enhancement, and then I'll put my fiber enhancement on the beard and the cut. And yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. That's pretty much it. Fiber, fiber. But anyways, y'all, I'm gonna try to get my videos a little bit better. I'm just getting back into this, so I'm trying to get my stuff situated. Bought a tripod, bought another ring light, and yeah. But anyways, I'm just lining up the pencil here, sharpening up the cut, and yeah, it looks kind of sloppy up there. You want to keep the stuff neat. I don't know. Like I said, I got a heavy hand. I don't know. My stuff be all over the place, like a kindergartner coloring, a preschool coloring or something. You know what I'm saying? They cannot stay within them lines. That is me. But anyway, once you come back and clean it up, it'll look way better. And I'm gonna use a razor and try to sharpen it up a little bit better too, as well after this. But I always use my trimmer first. I don't really use the hot towel and the shaving cream and all that when I'm trying to use the razor. I just go straight with the razor. You know what I'm saying? This shit is only a 45-minute haircut. All that extra shit gonna add way too much time, y'all. Feel me? We trying to get these folks in and out. That's what y'all looking for. No guard for. In and out. Okay, this is real life barbering here, man. We trying to make money. We're trying to live. Okay, every blend, every fade does not have to be super HD, blurry, 4K like y'all see on these Instagram and all these other YouTubers that's been cutting 10 plus years. Your haircut's not gonna look like that, okay? This is my second year in the shop. I went to barber school basically 2 years ago. Well, 3 years ago, but I've basically been full-time cutting since 2 years, okay? So your cut's not gonna be, well, not everybody's. It's gonna be like a person who's been cutting 10 years, okay? Like, people cut different, you know what I'm saying, within different time spans. You could be cutting real good within a year or two, but just don't be bugging, man. You gotta fuck up to luck up. You gotta keep fucking up so you can get better, okay? Okay? But yeah, man, my phone died right here, so I didn't get to line up the bottom of the beard or the back of his hair, but I still got the finished product on my other phone. But here it is right here. There it is. There's the haircut. There's the taper. There's the $40 haircut. And I didn't have to be all anal with guards and shit. Like, comment, and subscribe. See you in this video.
Sis guy, he a visionary. I'm the definition like the dictionary. Baby, turn around, forget the missionary. If they pull